Hello once again, kumusta kayong lahat? Now, I'm going to update you on my insulin and diabetes journey, and you've seen my videos. The first one is when I found out that I need to take insulin and I felt bad about it, but well, life has to go on and we have to follow doctor's advice all the time. We do not self-medicate only until we get advice from our doctors, right? So on our second video, oh my god, that's the first time I did my insulin shot by myself, and it was so scary. And in fact, I don't know whether I actually how do you call that, freak out my friends when they watch it, because it took me like 12 or more than 12 attempts in trying to prick myself. Not really prick, but to inject the insulin. But this time I would like to show to you that how proud I am that I no longer have those 12 attempts. In fact, I only do it once. I will show it to you now. But then again, this is showing you not to shock or freak you out, but just to show you how it can easily be done. So for those who are like me before, who are very scared of the needles and insulin, I guess that you know, it's a matter of getting used to, and not to mention that we have to, right? Because we have to stay healthy, especially in these times. So yeah, let's try it. First, I usually have my doctor's advice is to change the needle every second or third shot. So this is the third shot actually, so I will be changing it so that it will be sharper and less painful, hindi masyadong malaki. Of course, this is not medical in nature. I mean, I am not a doctor, but I am a patient who does this, so I could show it to you. Okay. See how the first time I don't even know how to use this. Oh my god. Needle. So before I put this inside my body, let's watch the old video first so that you have a context of what happened the first time I did it. Okay? Okay, this is it. Oh my god. I know I can do this, but I need a lot of courage. I'm sorry. Oh my god, I did it. Oh my god. I did it. Whew. Okay, now I'm ready. I am ready because I was able to do it that time, and now I've been doing it for almost a year now. Probably next month it will be a year for me to it's already a year that I've been under insulin medication. So yeah, first one is to change the needle every so often, twice or thrice, and then turn it. They call it the insulin pen, by the way. It contains insulin, and you don't do the old way of, you know, trying to get to extract the insulin from a vial, and then get the usual syringe, if I'm not mistaken, we call that injection, but that is so layman. And then pull it out and then push it in your body. But this time, this pen is actually the more convenient way of doing it. So I'm doing 25 units of this one. I started at 8, but it helps. It really helps. I'm ready now. Okay, how should I say it? Dan ang programang ito ay rated SPG. Yung mga don't worry, you won't really even see it because I won't show you much of it. Okay. Not to mention that you might see my belly. Okay, I'm ready. I'm done. See, my God, I've been so used to it. See, I do it less than a minute, unlike before it took me about an hour or so. Yeah, so that's how I inject my insulin, and it's my doctor's advice. According to my doctor's advice, it's once a day, sometime midday, and for some they do it more than once a day. Of course, I'm not quite familiar with the sugar level or the situation, but I just like what I told in the previous video. This is something that will help me make it easier for me to deal with diabetes, because if I forget injecting diabetes, I feel so sluggish in the morning, especially when the moment you wake up. The moment you wake up, it's kind of sluggish and it feels heavy, and sometimes my body feels sore, and then that I remember that oops, I forgot to inject insulin. So it's very helpful. This is not medical advice, but it's a friendly advice from someone who has diabetes, just perhaps like you. Okay, so let's get healthy. We can always choose the healthy option, right? So thank you very much, and I'll see you again on my next vlog. Bye-bye at stay healthy and safe. Maraming salamat. Terima kasih. Thank you very much. Nakalang salamat. Bye-bye. Thank you.